Hello children, let's start a new exercise. Exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1, question number 1 is multiply the following. A part is 7625 multiplied by 6. Here this is called multiplicand, this is called multiplier, and the result which we have to find out is called product. Okay. Now let's start multiplying. See, first of all, we will write places on top of the multiplicand. Fine. Now we will start multiplying. Start multiplying from 1st digit of the multiplicand. Now this is 1-digit number with whom we have to multiply this multiplicand. So 6 5s are 30. So we will write only 0 over here. And 3 we will carry over above the 10th digit. Okay. Now next step is we will multiply 1-digit number by the 10th digit of multiplicand. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Now we will carry 1 over the 100th digit. Now 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 1 37. Now we will carry 3 over digit on thousands place. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3, that is 45. So our product is 45,750. See, while multiplying, we followed a pattern. First of all, we multiplied 6 by 5. Then we multiplied 6 by 2. Then we multiplied 6 by 6. And the last we multiplied 6 by 7. So we always start from one place. Then we will multiply according to places. Now let's do B part. B part is 3042 multiplied by 9. Again we will write places above the multiplicand. Now we will start multiplying. This is called multiplicand, multiplier, and we have to find the product. Okay. Now 9 2s are 18. 1 carry. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 1, 37. 3 carry. 9 multiplied by 0. This is one of the property. That is called zero property. When we multiply any number by 0, we will get the result 0. So 9 zeros are 0, but 0 plus 3 is 3. Okay. Next is 9 3s are 27. So our product is 27,378. Now let's do C part. C part is 2649 multiplied by 32. This is called multiplicand, and this is called multiplier. Okay, now we have to find the product. Now this multiplier has 2 digits, so we have to multiply it in 2 steps. Okay, in first step, we will multiply 2649 by 2 because 2 is at 1's place, and in second step, we will multiply 2649 by 3. No, it's 30. Why 30? Because 3 is at 10's place. So 3, and for we have already multiplied by 2 here. So we will multiply by 30 in this step because 3 is at 10's place. Clear? Now let's multiply. Now let's do with this first step. 2649 multiplied by 2. 2 9s are 18. 1 carry. Okay. Now 2 4s are 8 plus 1. 9. Clear? Now 2 6s are 12. 1 carry. Now 2 2s are 4 plus 1, that is 5. This step is over. Now we have to multiply 2649 by 30. It has 1 0. So let's write 1 0 over here. Fine. Now we will multiply 2649 by 3 because we have already written 0 over here. See, 0 we have written here. Now we have to multiply these two numbers. Okay, now let's multiply. First of all, we will multiply 3 by 1's digit. 3 9s are 27. Now we will carry 2 above this carry. Fine. Fine. Now 2 9s are 3 9s are 27. 2 carry. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. Now 1 carry here, not here, because we carried over for 1's place multiplier over here. So we have to write over it. Okay. 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19. Again 1 carry. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Now the last step is that we have to add these two results. Okay, this is the result of these numbers, and this is the product of these numbers. Then now the last step is we have to add these two results. 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 7, 16. Now where will you carry 1? Not here. Here, because we are doing addition in this part only. Here we are doing addition, so we will put the carry over here. 9 plus 7, 16. We will write 1 carry over here. Now 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 9 is 14. 1 carry. 7 plus 1 is 8. So our product is, this is our final answer. Our product is 84,768. Now let's do question number 1 E part. Question number 1 E part is 6056 multiplied by 320. This is multiplicand, this is multiplier. Multiplicand is of 4 digits and multiplier is of 3 digits. Now it has 3 digits, so we have to divide the whole process into 3 parts. Clear? Now first part will be, we will multiply 6056 by 1's place digit, that is 0. In second step we will multiply 6056 by 10's place digit, that is 2, and its place is 10's. So for it we will write 10 over here. Clear? Now in the last multiplication step we will multiply 6056 by the digit at 100's place, that is 3, and it is at 100's place, so we will add 2 zeros over here. Fine. Now let's start multiplying. In first step we will multiply 6056 by 0, and this is 0 property. When we multiply any number by 0, then answer will be 0. So let's write 0 everywhere in this step. Okay. Now let's move to second step. 6056 multiplied by 20. It has 1 0. So let's write 1 0 over here. Now we have to multiply 6056 by 2. 6056 by 2 only. Now 2 by 6. We will multiply 2 by 6 first because it is at 1's place. Then we will multiply it by 10, then hundreds, then so on. This will be the way. 2 6 are 12. 1 carry. Now 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 carry. 2 zeros are again 0 property. 2 zeros are 0. But 0 plus 1, that is 1. Fine. Now 2 6 are 12. Clear this step also? Now let's move to the last step. We have to multiply 6056 by 300. Now 300 has 2 zeros. So we will add 2 zeros over the extreme right side. Okay. Now we will multiply 6056 by 3. 3 6 are 18. 1 carry above this carry. Fine. 3 6 are 18, 1 carry. 3 5 are 15 plus 1, 16. Now 1 carry over here. 3 zeros are 0 plus 1, 1. 3 6 are 80. Now next step is we have to add these three results and we will get the final result. Okay. Now 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Clear? 0 plus 2 plus 0 is 2. 0 plus 1 plus 8 is 9. 0 plus 1 plus 6 is 7. 2 plus 1 3. 8 plus 1 9 and 1 as it is. Okay. So our product of this E part is 1 lakh. Sorry. It is 19 lakh 37,920. This is the product of E part. Now, question number 1 from my side is over. Now, your homework is you have to do question number 1, exercise 5.1, question number 1, D part and F part. This is your homework. Thank you, children.